Hey everyone, it's your friendly neighborhood disinfectant detective. Today we're tackling a question that plagues many a homeowner. Can Lysol truly vanquish the villainous mold spores? We've all seen those commercials promising a sparkling clean home, but when it comes to mold, is Lysol the ultimate weapon? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Well, at least according to the experts at Hunker. Let's get scrubbing. Lysol to the rescue. But here's the catch. So can Lysol disinfectant spray be your mold-fighting hero? The answer is a qualified yes. According to the experts, Lysol can kill mold spores when used correctly. Here's the thing. Lysol is great at taking out those nasty spores, but it's not a magic bullet. If you want to completely conquer mold, you have to go a step further and address the root cause of the mold growth. Think of it this way. Lysol is like your superhero sidekick. It can take out the mold minions, but to defeat the arch-villain, the mold itself, you need a full-fledged plan. The master plan Lysol and beyond. Grab your Lysol weapon. Lysol makes a whole range of disinfectant products specifically designed to tackle mold and mildew. Find the one that's right for your situation and follow the instructions carefully. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility, and the responsibility here is using cleaning products safely and effectively. Scrub-a-dub-dub, just nuking the spores with Lysol isn't enough. You'll need to get in there and scrub the moldy area with a stiff brush. This will help remove any mold colonies that have taken root. The real villain revealed: moisture. Mold thrives in damp environments, so the real villain you need to vanquish is moisture. Identify the source of the moisture and fix it. This could mean anything from repairing a leaky pipe to improving ventilation in your bathroom. Prevention is key. Once you've defeated the mold, don't let it return. Make sure to keep your home well ventilated and address any moisture problems as soon as they arise. Lysol can be a great tool for preventative maintenance cleaning as well. So, Lysol can be a powerful weapon in your mold-fighting arsenal, but remember, it's just one part of the battle plan. For a complete victory, you need to address the root cause of the moisture and implement a long-term prevention strategy. By following these steps, you can keep your home mold-free and your family healthy. And that's the scoop on Lysol and mold spores. If you have any questions, fire away in the comments below. Remember, a clean home is a happy home. And with the right knowledge and tools, you can conquer even the most villainous mold.